Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Derive Pharmacy. Today let's discuss about the important questions in pharmaceutical engineering of your third semester B Pharmacy. The very important and easy subject if you study in a proper way. Okay, let's discuss what's the matter in this pharmaceutical chemistry. See, define mixing. First question, important question. Define mixing. What is the importance of mixing in pharmacy? Name the mixers used for semi-solids and explain the construction and working of any one. Very simple question they were asked. They ask first you define mixing. Okay, then you go for some theories of mixing are there. See, there you go. Shear mixing, that all are there. Then importance you write in pharmacy. What is the important? Okay, 5 to 7 points or 10 points you write the importance. Give examples. Many mixers are there. Sigma blade mixers, planetary mixers, many are there. Then you can discuss any one type of the mixer. Better you can write planetary mixer. Here you maintain construction. First you write principle, construction, working, advantages, disadvantages of this planetary mixer. Okay, here finish. Second one, explain the theory of a steam distillation. Here first you define what is distillation, type you write and write anyone, and here in steam distillation you can write any one of the steam distillation. And diagrams are very important, figures are very important here. Then derive Bernoulli's equation stating the assumptions. Very important, practice this Bernoulli's equation. Okay, by practicing the equations twice or thrice you can easily get this. Then explain the theory of drying, giving more emphasis on rate relationship. Very simple, theory of drying you have to write. Some theories are there on drying. Okay, you have to write those theories. Then define drying, and also you can write factors affecting drying. That is also very important. Then applications you have to write. Then describe the principle, construction, working, advantages and disadvantages of the ball mill. In next slide in 5 marks I will show you how to write the construction type of the questions. If they ask a construction means how can you write, that all we will discuss here. Ball mill, then you have to write here prince means principle, construction, working, advantages and disadvantages. Describe construction, working, advantage, disadvantages of fluid energy mill. Very important, this is also. Then construction and operational details of freeze dryer. It is also very important. Applications also you have to write. Either they ask or not, you have to write application in 10 marks if they ask construction. Very important those all. Yes, now 5 marks. Note, for all construction try to write definition, principle, construction, working, advantages and disadvantages. This thing you have to keep in mind. For all construction try to write these all things. First see, define, explain construction working of the hammer mill with a neat label diagram. Sometimes they will ask this hammer mill in 10 marks also. Principle is very important. Write principle in 5 to 6 lines. Okay, then go for construction, working, advantages and disadvantages. Next question is describe construction and working of the sigma blade mixer. It is a type of mixer. We can write this one. And see, don't worry about the principle and construction. Whatever you know that you write. Mixing, important principle is here what the mixer will agitate. What they will do, they will just the main principle here is the shearing. The particles get sheared, teared. So due to the tearing and due to the shearing, what happens, the particles get completely mixed. This basic principles, whatever you know that you write. Okay, yes. Then construction working of the super centrifuge, you know the centrifugal force. If you write the centrifugal force definition, that is only principle here. Then explain the factors influencing filtration. First you define what are this filtration, examples you write, factors you write, merits you write. You can give 1 to 5 to 6 filtration example, leaf filter, meta filter, this all. Describe steel as a material of plant construction. Sometimes they will ask steel or they will ask plastic as a material. If they ask steel means you define plant construction types, you write on the steam. If they ask plastic means same plant construction, you write the types and the plastic you write in detail. So why it is very important, steel is very important, why plastic is important, where do we use everything. And if you want the notes means notes are present here, you can get the notes. Okay, and the cost is also very low here, 29 rupees only per subject, or 29. It's not a huge amount, only 29 rupees. Okay, I have made this for your convenient. Okay, I can make that 100 rupees or 150 or 200 rupees because those contain very important passing materials. Okay, but no. Okay, for your convenient, because of your students, for that reason only 29 rupees. This explain measures to check the problems of corrosion. Define corrosion, types, measures you have to write. Simple. Then explain construction working of bag filter. Very important one, bag filter. Same you have to write. Principal construction working, advantages, disadvantages and all. Describe the principle with the help of the labor diagram, fluidized bed dryer. Yeah. Then construction working of the perforated basket centrifuge. Perforated basket. Just perforations in the basket. That also you have to write. And principal advantages and disadvantages of the sieve shaker. Then describe the construction and working of a preferred filter suitable for the filtration of the viscous fluid. See those instrument or material which is used for the filtration of the viscous fluid, that is called as metafilter. See, they are not ask a direct question, they ask just you given use of that metafilter and they ask. Metafilter where we use, it is used in the viscous fluids only. Okay, viscous fluids to remove the particles, to filter the dust from the viscous fluid, we are using this metafilter. Same construction principle working and all. Write principal construction working of the climbing film evaporator. Explain the principle and working of the venturi meter. Describe the construction and principle of the leaf filter. So leaf filter here, if the material or if the liquid contains 5% of the solid, then we are using this leaf filter. 5% of the solid in the slurry. Yeah, this 15. Define and classify corrosion. Define this, classify, give examples. Then classify the materials of plants construction, uses of non-ferrous metals. Non-ferrous. Two types of metals are the classifications. Ferrous metals and non-ferrous metals. Non-ferrous metals you have to write, give examples. And derive Fourier's law and write it application. See, if you practice 2 to 3 times, this is also Bernoulli's and Fourier's law. If you practice these figures are very important. In 2 to 3 attempts only you can write this one. Means by writing 2 to 3 times in the answer sheet, write in your own thing. First you read, write in your own way, generate your own sentences. Okay, that will help you a lot in our examination. Yes, these are very very important in pharmaceutical engineering questions for 5 and 10 marks. You practice only these questions enough. If you are already having the notes, it's very good. You go through that notes only. Okay, if you prepared by your own, then you go through that notes, compare the question from the notes. No sir, we are not having notes, we have to study from today or this type. So for them, we can purchase the notes, 29 rupees per subject. Thank you.